Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back again in this beautiful afternoon. So dear learners, as you can see, there are so many plants behind me, right? So first of all, I would like to special thanks to you all, those who you are watching my video right now. And after that, I would like to wish you all advance Happy New Year 2025. So anyways, I believe that from this year in this year you have passed your days very effectively, and those who you are unable to do that, don't worry, don't be hesitation, don't be frustrated. You have enough time to recover yourself. You can recover yourself, you can fulfill your dream, you can fulfill your milestone if you actually work hard in this upcoming year 2025. So we have learned so many things from the past. So we have made a lot of mistakes in this year 2024, but after upcoming year, I mean 2025, we don't try to make mistakes, same mistake, right? We have to learn from the past, right? And I believe that you have also learned from the past what kind of mistake you have already done. So from the past you will learn that kind of mistake you don't do forever, right? So dear learners, so this is the things, actually this is the message so I want to give you in this video, throughout the video, right? And if you ask me what kind of things that we are going to learn from this lesson, actually I want to say what kind of things we have learned from this lesson. Actually from this lesson we have learned how to greet someone, how to make conversation, or how to make sentences. In this way you can practice your spoken English like me. Actually if you want to learn your spoken English, right? So today I will not make any more longer. So that's all for today, and I will come up with a new lesson very soon. Thank you, take care. So Allah Hafiz.